Hi guys,
Welcome back to Two Less Hungry Girls.
my name is Brenda,
My name is Cindy.
and today we're eating dumplings and other stuff.
And today we ordered from Tasty Noodle House. We have grilled pork bun, juicy pork dumplings or xiaolongbao, and then spring onions.
And we've got some Shanghai style pork and veggie chow mein, as well as some pork and chive dumplings and some grilled beef buns.
Thank you for supporting us so far. Please leave us a comment if you have any suggestions for what you want us to eat next. Like, subscribe, and keep supporting us. We're going to continue to eat.
Lots of food.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat lots of food.
So exciting. Ooh, made some sauces. Soy sauce. Yeah. This is vinegar. This one you might like. This is the sauce I eat with dumplings. It's like spicy chili oil
Ooh.
with soy sauce. It's spicy. It's really good.
It's like spicy and tangy at the same time.
That crunch.
Good faith that our microphone is working.
I know.
Look at my insides.
Oh, these are the porks, right? Yeah, this is the pork. They're thick. They're so big. Yes. You know, in makeup they do this.
I think the most interesting part is the
The
top.
other side. Here you go. How's your noodles? As you're taking a huge bite. Tell me about your noodles.
Whoa. They're very good. They're very fried. I love them. Do you want some? I know what
I'll just take it.
Okay.
I'll get it in a bit.
I'm gonna try not to slobber then.
Doesn't matter. We already made out, remember? You definitely need to try this. This juicy pork dumpling. And just eat the whole thing. There's like soup inside and it just bursts open. Why are you making that face?
I'm scared.
It's exciting. It's a pleasant surprise.
Mmm.
It's my favorite thing. Like it? Very juicy. That's good.
Shout out to Tasty Noodle House on
Yes.
3rd.
I was in downtown? Oh, downtown.
You can't even see it.
What is it? Thai tea.
Yeah, but it
Okay.
has the little Tasty Noodle logo.
You can do the makeup thing. Is that why they do it?
What? How do they do it?
They're like, oh, and here we have this blush from Laura Mercier. That doesn't work, huh? But they always have a little thing. And they're like, oh, here. Like that. It changes the focus. That's what it is. So it's like super close.
Oh, these pancakes.
They're so good. So crispy.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Oh,
That's crispy.
this one's crispy.
I was anticlimactic.
Wait for it. Wait for it. It's good though.
So good. I'm not allowed to so I'm just here to tell you that it's good.
And the whole time it's so good. Remember we can go That's sexy. Yes.
So pretty.
Have you tried this before?
The
This is new. The beef.
Oh yeah, I've had it before.
Have you tried the pork? You should try this.
Still like this. Oh shoot. Sorry. What is that?
You know what? Do you know what this is?
Just one? Why don't you take the whole thing?
One.
Ginger?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Okay.
Try it. Thick. It's huge.
Ooh. Big boy.
Juicy too.
Oh, you already showed them the inside.
I showed them the other side. Not the inside though. Not the inside. Just pale. It pales everything. Makeup gurus are like, that's stupid.
Stupid girls. Can't even do their makeup right.
What sauce do you like more?
So actually what I do is I combine all three.
Oh,
in
great.
a little.
I'm so smart.
Oh, probably the vinegar one. So many options. I love it.
I can't tell which one I like more. Can I try your beef one? Okay. Ooh. Wonderful.
Okay. Which one do you prefer?
I've tried these three so far.
Out of the buns.
Ooh. I was gonna say juicy pork dumpling is my favorite. That's my go-to. But I just had a bite of the beef one. I think if I had to eat quantity, I can eat more of these. But bite-wise, this is tastier for me. What about you? You tried all of them?
Yeah. I just always like just the regular old school pork dumpling.
It's a classic. Is that your favorite? Dumpling down. Dumplings is like one of those things I always want to try to make, but I feel like no.
I'm just saying I don't even know how you'd start.
Because my grandma, I think she can make it. It's these little doughs, like, are a little circular. That's the skin of the dumplings. And then you make the minced meat and then you just wrap it in and then whatever shape you want. But of course, it's like harder than this.
These are so beautiful.
Mm.
They're like, shut up and eat. Stupid girl.
Just a little circular thing. They all look the same. What drink do you think goes on with this? That's a Thai tea go. Every time you take a bite, I'm like asking you intense questions. Please tell me. Your deepest, darkest secrets. But Thai tea goes on. I feel like this drink is really good separately. But I got the peach, the passion fruit green tea. It's so good. But I think I want something lighter.
It looks like a smoothie.
It's a smoothie, yeah.
Intense questions on it, but
You know.
all right. This
Do
time.
it.
This time.
Hell yeah. Do you think you eat this for breakfast?
Why?
Because we eat this for breakfast in Taiwan.
Oh, yeah.
And it's like very... No, who would?
What kind of animal would do that?
We also eat this. This is my breakfast food. No, it's just this.
Mm-hmm.
Not
Oh,
this
yeah.
much, but like a few of it. It tastes like home.
Oh, yeah. It's delicious. Out of the beef buns, I like this one. These because they're just juicier.
Yeah, these are definitely flatter. Do you think it catches drinking water? Probably.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Gross.
Oh, no. No, you're going to be so spicy. Well, then.
YOLO. How is it? Not too bad.
It's not too bad. We have not made out.
Yeah, we have. No, we haven't. Would you make out with me? Stop. Shut up.
If it made you happy.
That's all I asked for. You know these soup dumplings in Taiwan and Hong Kong or what a lot of dim sum places, they have these fat ones, like thick, fat, just single one, and there's soup inside, so they give you a straw and you poke it in and you drink the soup.
Oh my gosh.
It's very fun.
So you guys just eat the grilled pancake just by itself?
Just by itself. You can crack an egg and then put it on top of it. It's also really good. I tried making them over quarantine. My mom said it looks really dry. It was the only response I sent her. It was like, had fun cooking today. Mom, she was like, oh, I feel so bad for you. It looks so dry. Thanks for all the support. It was very dry. She was right.
Did you see that Mulan is out?
I did. I haven't seen it yet.
What is your opinion on all of the latest Disney remakes?
Okay, so I have a flaw, which is I haven't seen a lot of the original ones. And I know I need to, I know. I'm Asian. No, because I can't comment on it. No, but, yeah, I haven't seen any
There's
of them.
lots of Asians at Disneyland.
I know, that's fair. No, that was a joke. Name the recent remakes. I did watch...
Aladdin.
I saw the remake Aladdin. Haven't seen the original one.
The remake's better.
Yeah. You think the
I
remake's
said
better?
it.
Okay.
I mean, it has Will Smith in it.
But the original was Rob Williamson, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what everyone loves, original. But okay, I need to watch the original.
The Lion King.
Haven't seen Lion King.
It's okay, you'll cry in it. The dad dies.
I think so. Oh. Thanks for ruining it. Yeah, I do know. Okay, fair. Actually, I kind of know now, but when they hold him up, like, oh, I don't know what that is. It's not when he's crowned king, right? Is it?
He's the king and the queen's son.
Yeah.
Or cub. And they're presenting it to the entire region.
That's why they're saying to him. Okay, I see. Mulan, I'm actually really excited about. But I love the original. So I'm just going to try to watch it with an open mind. But I feel like there's no way, nothing will beat the original.
I think it's 86% on Rotten Tomatoes.
Is it? The remake?
That's what I'm saying. Most of the other Disney movies, the remakes, haven't had like really high scores.
Ooh, that piques my interest. Okay.
Have you seen Hercules?
No.
Ah,
I know. Wait,
someone make a remake. Yeah, I love it. If you're out there trying to make a movie, please remake Hercules.
What's the show that you showed me? The prince turns to a llama. I love that.
The Emperor's New Groove. Did you watch? Did you finish it?
I want to finish it. That's on my list to finish. Brenda showed me. What's it called?
Emperor's New Groove.
It's so cute.
So funny.
It's so funny.
Oh, Dumbo was remade.
Did you watch both of them?
No, I feel like I would have cried a lot in Dumbo.
That's one with the elephant.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know there's a Mulan 2, 3? Like the old ones? Did you watch them?
Mm-mm.
I think it's not bad. The first one's the best. But I think I'm surprised by how many people that they don't know there's 2 and 3. I actually don't know there's 3, but there's definitely 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagine what we had filmed yesterday when it was like 100, I don't know, 43 Celsius, however hot that is. So hot.
How many times have I told you? Fahrenheit.
The rest of the world does Celsius. I would never get it. It's okay. This will forever be a debate.
You can go live in the rest of the world.
In Madagascar. At least I'm in Celsius. Done?
I think we're done.
Pretty good. We did a pretty good job.
Oh, heartburn.
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for supporting us, and we will see you next time. Bye.